Yo, what is good, guys? I'm back for another video, and today we are going to be talking about forex trading and how you can actually make money from forex trading in just a week. Also, there's actually the one that takes a lot of time, but still, I know a lot of you guys will be excited to know how you can actually just enter trading space and start making money quickly as possible. I said a week, in just a week. So to the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to make this amount of money in a very short period of time. I mean, there are boys out there, even girls out there, making money, buying cars, buying houses. So what are you waiting for? Alright then, so what is forex trading? What is this forex trading? Yeah, forex trading is a global platform where traders from all over the world have the opportunity to trade the forex markets. Now, what is the forex markets? Okay, financial exchange. So that is where you can exchange currencies. I'm Nigerian, by the way. I bring my Nigerian naira and I buy US dollars. If I have US dollars, I use my US dollars and I buy with British pound. Why? Because I have the knowledge that Great British pound is going to increase in strength, and when it increases in strength compared to the US dollar, I'm making money. Same thing if I use if I use Nigerian naira to buy USD. I know USD is going to increase in strength against Nigerian naira, so obviously I'm making money because I invested and the value of what I invested in is increasing, so I'm going to be making money from it. That is basically the simplest way to put it. Forex, financial exchange of currencies. That is like, I don't think there's any other more basic way to put this thing, but yeah, that's it for me. So with that being said, us now knowing the basic definition of forex trading, what it actually is, let's move on to how you can actually trade. How can you actually trade? You at home thinking, okay, I'm seeing people online making money, I'm seeing people doing this, doing that, buying cars, buying houses, 70-year-olds, 80-year-olds making money from forex. How do you do it? So there are actually two ways, and one way is actually fast. You can actually get to this and actually start making money in 1 week. Yeah, you can actually start making money trading forex in a week, believe me. And then the other way is actually long. It can take you a year, 2 years. It depends on how much effort you put in, how much time you put in, and how you're actually learning it. Are you actually using the right information? Are you actually doing it the right way? Because there are a lot of people out there trading for 10 years, bro. They are not making money, believe me. They are not making money. But then you see people 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, bro. If they're actually profitable, they are actually profitable from forex trading. They make money, they actually withdraw from these charts, not all those fake gurus out there now. Okay, so we'll get to that. I will tell you those two ways. One is fast, the other is, let's say, it takes time. Good things take time, so it's actually worth it, because when you actually start seeing results, bro, you'll be happy. You even took 2 years, 3 years, because those results, though, they are going to be crazy. Believe me, they are going to be crazy. Okay, so before we get into that, how do you actually trade the market? What do you use to trade this market? Now, they are called forex brokers. There are so many types of brokers out there, but I don't want to start mentioning names. Yeah, I don't even want to mention the one I'm using, because I just started using it, a new one, and I want to see actually are they legitimate, because there are a lot of bad brokers out there with so many bad features, like bad broker commissions, slippage, so many different things. If you don't know what this means, leave a comment down and I'm gonna reply to you, answer your question. So okay, let's get back to the broker. Now, what is a forex broker? Forex broker is a platform that allows you to trade these currencies. Remember previously in the video I was like, you can give in your US dollars for British pound. How do you do that with the broker? You understand now? The broker is the platform that allows you to engage in that exchange, engage in that financial exchange, which is forex. That is actually forex trading. That is it, as at most basic way I can put it. That is forex trading. Yeah, forex trading. All right, so now you understand what brokers are. Forex brokers are platforms that allows you to trade the currencies, trade the financial markets. Right now you actually understand what forex brokers are. I think let's go into the 2 ways of actually making this money. Remember, I said you can actually make money within a week trading Forex. Within a week trading Forex. A lot of you guys might get excited, but it's actually a real way. Actually, a real way and very realistic way. So let's get to that. Alright, before we get into that, I want you to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying what you're watching and you're going to see more from me. Share this video to anyone who wants to learn more about Forex. From a fellow, I'm 17 by the way, from a fellow 70-year-old that is doing this. I'm actually making money. I'm getting money from these markets. You can see some of my videos up there making money from the markets, withdrawing. I've tasted the Forex market money. So I know for myself that this thing isn't a scam. So let's get into the main point of the video. Now, there are people making money trading Forex in a week. In a week. How do they do it? This is how they do it. Firstly, you need to have money, like real money for this, because believe me, you need money. I don't know how to put it, but you need money for this one. So now when I say you need money for this one, here's why. The way you can make money trading Forex in like a week, months or so is by actually investing money in paid signal groups. Now, for those of you that don't know what are paid signal groups, okay, mostly Telegram channels, Discord servers, whatever, any group can be a WhatsApp group where a Forex group collects money from people that actually don't want to go through the process, that don't want to go through the 1 year, 2 years of learning, being independent, and finally seeing rewards, right? The guru Forex profitable trader collects money, and believe me, they're actually high. I know some traders that actually collect like $100, $50 if you're lucky to see them. Then if you don't have access to those ones, you may end up getting into the hands of some bad gurus out there collecting $1,000 just to join their signal group, and then they may even enter bad trades where you will be losing money. So there's actually a risk to it, actually a very bad risk to it. But that's actually a way you can enter these markets, enter into Forex trading and see money in a week. Okay, let's say you enter a new signal group, right? Enter a signal group, you pay $100 and you also have like $1,000 in your Forex account, your broker account, or let's just say you have $50 in your broker account, right? And that Forex trader actually knows how to trade, so he drops good trades, you take those trades and you're making money. Before you know it, you've made back that $100 you invested. You see, you can actually make money from paid signal groups. That's one way, and in a week you can actually make back that money with profits. Now you see, you can make money through trading in a week. One thing is that I'm not actually against it though, but me personally, when I started, I didn't even have the money to enter those paid signal groups, and that's why I'm also talking about the other way, where people that were like me, all right, actually can still make money, but it takes time. Good things take time, so there isn't really any problem for you putting your head down, putting in the work, grinding, and actually seeing results over time. There's no problem. It took me 2 years to start seeing money, but was it worth it? Yeah, pretty much very, very worth it, because the money I'm making now has covered everything I've lost in the span of those years getting to where I am now, and it's been a crazy journey, believe me. That is actually you learning trading, because those people in paid signal groups, they are not independent, believe me. They are relying on their gurus, relying on their mentors to show them what to do, to show them what to trade, to show them which this, that, yada yada yada. But you learning trading, taking time, putting in the work, putting in effort, we actually finally know how to do this, approach it the right way, and you're now actually a good trader, bro. You're independent, bro. Not like those guys taking paid signals and not their own bosses, but are they actually independent? In my own opinion, no, because one day or 1 week your mentor can choose, bro, I'm not asking for all this, that. What are you gonna do? Nothing, because you're actually relying on somebody. But you are that guy. You are the one that gives yourself daily bread, not somebody else. You're actually your own boss. Any day, anytime. That's the freedom of trading. Enter the market, you do your analysis, see where you're ready to put money on, you make your money, or you lose, because we have to be real, you do lose. Even those paid signal groups, your mentor can actually make you lose. Like I said before, there are bad mentors out there, take $1,000 from you and you see go and lose. So there's that very, very real stuff that you should actually pay attention to. Scammers out there, stay safe. honestly a whole lot of scammers out there. So yeah, I think we have pretty much come to the end of the video. I don't want to make it too long, but I've actually told you guys the 2 ways you can make money online in a week, just into forex trading as a pure fresh beginner, and also actually learning how to trade, which may take you time. Actually different for everybody. Everybody is different. Everybody's story is different. Everybody's journey is different. Like I said before, previously in the video, it took me 2 years to actually start seeing money, to actually being able to withdraw a single dime from trading after I put and lost. So bro, it's been a crazy journey, really crazy journey. But yeah, I guess it's all worth it for me because I've made back everything I've lost crazily and in much profits. So worth it. I don't know about you, but for me it's pretty much worth it, and I'm sure it's going to be worth it for you because bro, you're actually making money long term. Forex trading is not a sprint, yeah, it's a marathon. I don't know if any of you have heard of that quote, but that's just the thing. Give yourself time, put in the work, you will actually start making money from forex trading. Catch you guys in the next video. If there's anything you didn't understand in this video, if you comment down below, I'm going to reply. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.